And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send me their 3-in-1 fast wireless charger. This is the CW330, and it can charge your iPhone, your AirPods, and your Apple Watch all at once. Just a 3-in-1 logo there, nothing really on the back, same there. And CW330 on the top. So let's open this up. So inside of this little box, nice little instruction set. Right on top gives you all the information you should need that I won't be mentioning in this video since it's just an unboxing. Then this is the actual main charger. So you see it's all nicely labeled. Your phone can go here, your AirPods go here, and your watch goes here. I love this little metal looking arm, just really like it. Nice grips along the bottom, keep it from moving. The total output of this is 18 watts, so you'll probably get like 10 to the phone and then maybe 5 to these and 3 or so to the watch. There is a status light here on the front, and other than that, just a USB-C port on the back to charge all of this. Very, very nice. Then we also have down in here, well, that's kind of, that's it. We've got an included 20-watt power brick. It's just foam and just cardboard. An included USB-A to USB-C cable to run from this power brick to the charger. So if I was to undo all of this, I can plug this purple one into the orange. Love the colors there, nice and snug. Plug this into power, and then just plug this right into the back of my 3-in-1 charger. There we go, we have a blue light. We're now ready to charge, so I can take some AirPods and throw right here. They begin charging, there's the green light. I can take me an Apple Watch and throw it on here. Now it's gonna start charging. And then lastly, I can take me an iPhone, throw it right there, and now my iPhone is charging. That'll do it for this 3-in-1 wireless charger. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send it to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.